You're welcome to my channel. This is Vsmdesigns. Today we are going to learn how to prepare and fix a flap or placket on a senator outfit. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button right below this video and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. If you are a returning fan, thank you for checking back. Now let's go straight to today's tutorial. I have already cut my gum to the desired dimensions. This is 1/4 inches or 1.25 inches by 15 inches. There's no one particular fixed size for a placket. It's important to note that you gum your flap according to how you cut the cloth. Like this cloth, I cut it along the industrial weaving mouth, so that's how I am also going to gum my flap to make sure that there is no discrepancy between the reflection on the flap and on the main material. You know that when you place a fabric, it has a particular reflection or change in color as you turn it around. So we have just gummed it on the fabric. Then we are now going to cut it off. This side will be the down part of the flap or the placket, while this side will be the upper part. So we are going to give allowance for joining. My next video is going to be on how to make this beautiful trending pocket by Ghetto Clothing. So we are going to fold this. Make sure you do a neat folding. We are going to slice your gum. And place the sliced gum here. You also fold this side. This is the down part. You also fold it this way. To make sure that the size of the folded area does not show, you can trim it off. Then this is what we are going to use to fix it to the main fabric. We gum the upper part. Make sure you gum it in such a way that by the time you fold it, it will just be the same size with the placket itself here. Two of them should be equal. Please kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you've not done so, and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. You are now going to fold this like this. You are giving a little allowance here in such a way that if you run thread on top of the placket, it will hold this down. I usually make this about 7 inches. We are going to place a gum here. Make sure that as you place this gum, a good part of it is showing, because by the time you are going to fix it to the main fabric, you are going to iron it. It is this gum here that will hold it down together with the main fabric. I just run thread here, just at the tip, so that I wouldn't need to run another thread that place when I fix the placket or the flap. And I've also already fixed the inner part of the flap and also piped the neck. So let's fix it now. You just raise it gently, slide the placket in and arrange it. It's very important that you arrange this placket in such a way it will be at the center of the neck. Sometimes here the inner part is not well relaxed. You are going to notch it in such a way that the inner flap will relax. Then now go ahead and fix the placket. Make sure that it's well positioned at the center of the neck. Sometimes you might fix it if you are not very careful. Your neck will tilt towards one side because the flap or the placket is not well positioned at the center. Then at the down part of it, we are going to cut another hemming gum and fix. Remember that the initial hemming gum we added is the one now holding the upper part of it. So we just added another one towards the down part to hold that side down. This hemming gum is helpful because when we are going to run thread here, it will help to hold it down. You have to set this well. At this point, there's no need to run a V-shape thread here because already we did that bending on the flap in such a way that once we run this thread at the top there, it holds the under part of it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Click on the banner showing on your screen right now to watch my other videos.